Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Outlook too many request error 429. You can fix this problem by different ways. First method, please wait 15 to 30 minutes and try again. Second method, switch to mobile data or hotspot. Third method, for the mobile users, go to your phone setting and follow my steps. Click on apps and search for your Outlook apps. Scroll down, click on storage. Clear app data and go back. Click on permissions and make sure your all permission is enabled. After that, go to your Play Store and search for Outlook app. Make sure your Outlook app is updated. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you are using any browser to create your Outlook account and facing this problem, then go to your browser and clear app data and follow my next step.